What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you quick and easy how to put the probe in your turkey. Right here's your probe, so you'll have different makes and models, but we want to put it in the thickest part. And depending on the model, like see how I pinch it like this? We just want to get it right in there in the thickest part. We don't want to touch the bone. Usually we got to cover about 60 to 80%, so we can leave a little out, and then just leave this right here like that. All right, let's place it in our oven right here. Okay, depending on where it sits in your oven, our roast probe in this model is right here. So we want to just put it right through here. We want to slide this back and be careful because it's hot, but this is really where we want it to live, right here. And we'll plug it right in. So pick it up and slide it right in there. Make sure it snaps. Your oven should beep and tell you it's connected. Our next is to set our temperature on our unit. So we'll hit it right here. And we're going to go 180 degrees. Okay. Hit OK. And now we have the oven to start. Okay, so our roast probe's in, our turkey's in. Here's what we want to see. The internal temp of our turkey is 74. Our target temp's 180. Our oven's at 375 degrees. We know everything's working properly. So once the roast probe reaches 180, it will beep and go to a keep warm setting so it won't overcook. That's the easiest way to get a perfect turkey.